Ever since I didn't purchase the cat, bro. Ever since I didn't purchase the cat has been waving at me. Hey, good morning, Hellcat Slick, baby. How y'all doing out there today, man? How y'all doing, man? Hope y'all blessed on this Sunday fun day that we having. It's not too pretty outside, but man, you know, we still gotta bring this content to y'all, bruh. Man, today I got an installment for the Hellcat. Oh, I named that joint now. My old lady helped me come up with it. I had a few names going. I always, cause you know I'm from New Orleans, so I said, man, I want to name my car Katrina, you know, cause you know Trina she just did something to your boy's life. She affected a whole lot of people, and driving this Hellcat is gonna affect a whole lot of people on that interstate and through them roads. So I figured, man, I think why not name a car after something like that, right? But man, I ain't go through with it. I came up with a whole nother name for her. So at first I was gonna do, like I said, I was gonna do Trina. I wasn't feeling Trina. She talked me out of doing Trina. I had well, first of all, let me tell y'all, I got 3 cars. I got one named Nina, I got one named Rose, and this one right here, the Hellcat. Matter of fact, let me go and get back out and show y'all this thing, man. I done hopped in the car. I'm finna show y'all this thing real quick. Let me flip this video around for y'all. Alright, y'all, check this out, man. So the install that we got today to improve this cat, so y'all see this interior that's red and black. So why not have my feet matching it, right? So I'm gonna install this right here. Let that focus in right there. Let it go and focus. Because installing this LED glow 7-letter color. Just ordered this joint off of Amazon. No ask how much I paid for it, cause my old lady ordered it for me, man. Nice little Valentine's Day gift, you know. Say, hey, fellas, man, if y'all make sure y'all do something special for y'all ladies out there, man. Make sure y'all do something special for y'all ladies, man. I was telling her the other day, I was like, man, you know, we ain't no new couple. So I feel like we shouldn't really be celebrating Valentine's Day like that anymore. But, man, you know, man, she want to do it. So, I mean, you know, I'm gonna do the thug thism. I'm gonna do what I do. Let me see. Different brand. So this is a different brand and stuff. This probably gonna take me a while because I don't know how to do this. Okay, so we know this is the box for it. So I'm assuming with my other one, it ain't have a box. It had like a remote and a little wire that came out to it. This one got a box. Like a little LED box right there. They got everything on it. So I guess pretty much what you want to do, you want to kind of set it like on the side, on the wall or whatever. Which is kind of dumb, I would say. Why they didn't send the remote with it? That's really dumb, man. But all right, let's go and get to this real quick, cause. All right, too. Look like I got my first installment on here. Good, man. Got it locked on there. Held it on there for about a good minute. So next thing you want to do, let me put this thing over here. Next thing you want to do, you don't want to pull hard on that wire. And what you want to do, you want to jam it right up in here. So you want to kind of pull it somewhat tight. I guess that them cable ties is for these wires. Makes sense. Makes sense. But or you can just jam it in frame on the car, dude. Don't make a difference. All right, so we got one. Now the next thing I want to know, I want to run the second one across. All right, so if I just did this one, and I want to run this one to the front. Now I was gonna run the two middle ones. Okay. Okay, snap. Here's the problem. Here's the problem right here. I want to put this box. Ah, you gotta be oh my Lord, bro. What the hell done happened? This hoe just fell off of here. Yeah, too, man. Bro, I put the glue on there, held it on there for a whole minute or whatever. And then that hoe just fell on off, bro. Like it's just literally peeling off like it's boogers, bro. It's really peeling off like it's boogers. So I guess the next thing to do. Dang, I ain't bring no cloth out here. You can see the ground is somewhat wet. Got this little piece of paper. You know, I'm just clean this off then. Since all of this is just peeling off here like boogers. Make no sense. Maybe I should have did the back first. Man, these fronts is a doozy. I'm trying to think. Let me approach this correctly. And how we want it to be. At least so. Because I got too many wires in my face. And this is starting to make me mad. I really want to know if I can stick this all the way across to the other side. But I don't know if I can or not. That's the thing. You know what we're going to do? We're going to get everything ran how we want it to be. Yeah, we're going to get everything ran how we want it to be. At least so. Uh-oh. I hope I don't lose. Well, I can't lose it. I just pull that joint back up. Yeah, I just pull that joint back up. If I lose it. Let me see. What's this? Hitting something. Oh, we hitting something. Two. Yes, Lord, bro. Look, hey, if you ain't know by now, I'm professional with this joint, boy. Professional with this joint. You gotta have skills to reach in there to play with a little bit and pull it on out of there. You heard me? Yeah, baby. Let's run them wires, boy. Y'all see her right there? She's waving at me. Ever since I didn't purchase the cat, bro. Ever since I didn't purchase the cat has been waving at me. Lord, have mercy. This car here is bringing problems already. Oh my goodness, bro. What the? Man, I need some new glue, bro. This shit making me mad. Take two of installing this thing. I want it right here, and I want this part right here. Okay, all right. Now we on the passenger seat side. Same thing. Dang, I ain't bring no paper over here with. Oh, yeah. Always when installing something and using glue, always have a paper underneath it, yeah. Cause you never know, the wind blow the wrong way, and you spill this hole on your carpet. Boy, what? Talking about ordering a whole new mat, you'll be mad. Alright, once you paint that joint, I can't find the hole. Hey. YouTube, baby, we have completed the install. We ain't got everything knocked out. Let's go on and test it out, man, and see. Let's go on and see what it's about. Oh Lord, let me get my seat adjusted. Dang. I'm about to say hi.